Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our mathematics online classes. Last two sessions we studied what is data handling, what is data, what is pictograph, and how can we draw pictograph. Do you remember what is data handling? Data handling is the process of gathering, recording, and presenting the information which is helpful for others, which is easily helpful for others. What is data? Data is the information in a list. In the list there are some information. That informations are called data. Okay. Then data is the facts that are collected by counting things, objects or events. Data is the facts that are collected by counting things, objects or events. Pictograph. Sometimes symbols are used to represent numbers. Such representation is called a pictograph. In pictograph, instead of the numbers or names, we use some symbols. That symbols are called a pictograph. Okay. A pictograph or pictograph represents data using symbols. And also I have explained the pictograph of example 1. I have explained example 2. I am not going to explain. Now we are going to do exercise 12.1. Okay. Exercise 12.1 we are going to do. Before that I am going to tell you that while we are drawing pictograph, we have to find one title, scale, and that is scale and symbol. Okay, title, scale, and symbol. These all three things we needed for pictograph, and also we should draw neat and tidy column. Now let's see how can we draw the pictograph from exercise 12.1. A company manufactures good quality washing machine. Please open your book, page number 1216. 1216. A company manufactures good quality washing machine. The table shows its production is the first 6 months. Make a tally chart and prepare a pictograph according to the data collected. Remember to give a title and scale for the pictograph. Okay, a company manufactures good quality washing machine. The table shows its production in the first 6 months. Make a tally chart and prepare a pictograph according to the data collected. Remember to give a title and scale for the pictograph. Here, month January, February, March, April, May and June. Number of machines 20, 25, 50, 40, 35 and 25. Already here scale has given one symbol represents 5 machine. Why we use here 5? One symbol represents 5 machine because these all numbers are in the multiples of 5. Of tables of 5, this all number comes. So we can write a one symbol represents 5 machine. Okay. So first we can draw a column. Here, what is the title of the measure? Title of here, we can write here number, here months. Here, number of the, here we can write the number of machines. Number of machines sold. Machine sold. Number of machine sold. This way we can write machines on scale. What will be the scale? Scale. Already scale has given, so we no need to change the scale. The scale, same scale we can use here. One symbol is equal to this symbol. I am going to give this symbol. Okay, we no need to draw the picture of the washing machine. We can draw this way. Is equal to 5 machine. One symbol shows 5 machine. Okay. Then how many months are there? 6 months. First January. So first we can write January. Now title is over, scale is over, column also we have made. Okay. Next, January, how many machines sold? 20 machines sold. 20 machines sold in January. So how many symbol we should draw there? One symbol represents 5 machines. Okay. Here. Now it is 5 machine is over. Next, 10 machine, 15, 20. Okay, now here 4 symbols we have got. 5 4s are 20. Okay, while we are seeing this scale and this symbol, we will come to know on January there are 20 machines sold. We no need to write the number 20 here. Okay, just we should draw the symbol. Only we use scale, number in the scale only. Other places we are not using to write any number. Next one, February. How many machines sold in February? Can you say? How many machines sold? 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many machines sold? 25 machines sold in February. Okay. Next one. March. March, how many machines sold? 15. 5, 10, 15. 15 machines sold on March. April, 40 machines sold. How many symbols we should draw here? 5 8s are 40. So how many symbols? 8 symbols should be there. So April, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 symbol means 40 machines. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay. Next one, May. May, how many symbols should be there? May, how many machines sold? 35 machines sold. Since 35 machines sold in May, how many symbols we should draw? 7 5s are 35. One symbol represents 5 machines. So to represent 35, we should draw 7 symbols. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how many symbols? Here, 7 symbols are here. Next one, June. June, how many symbols should be there? June, 25 machines sold, so 5 symbols should be there on June. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children, these are the pictogram. So first I am going to tell you one thing, one more time. Pictogram means a representation of the data by using some symbol. Instead of the numbers, we use some symbol to draw the pictogram. In this pictogram, there is no number, only one number to show the number of machines. Scale, okay, represent scale. Here instead of the numbers we use symbols. Here scale, one symbol represents 5 machines. Here January 4 symbols are there, that means 20 machines. February 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols are there, that means 25 machines. March 1, 2, 3, 15 machines. April, how many symbols are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 symbols are there. 8 symbol represents 40 machines. How? One symbol represents 5 machines. So 8 symbol represents 40 machines. May 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 symbols. 7 symbols means 7 5s are 35. Then June 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. June 5 symbols, that means 25 machines sold in that month of June. Okay, this way we are drawing the pictograph. Now we have completed first pictograph. Only one pictograph we have completed, that we have to draw in our copy. Okay, that we should draw in our copy. I shall upload in your website. By that time you can write it in your copy. But before writing, you must write your unit 12 data handling. This should be there. While you are starting, there is no heading, no title, nothing is there. But you have to start with unit name and title. Okay. Okay, now let's see that page number 215, example 2. I shall tell you that how can we do that. Already it is given, that explanation I shall give you. Example 2, page number 215. In a burger shop, the following numbers of burgers were sold in a week. Represents in the information in the form of pictograph. Here some data are there that has shows in the form of pictograph. Okay, here we can see the numbers are very large in this example. It will be difficult to represent one picture for one burger. In first pictograph we have used one symbols for one one animal, but here numbers are big. Is it? In the numbers, Monday 40 burgers sold, Tuesday 30 burgers sold, Wednesday 60 burgers sold, Thursday 50 burgers sold, Friday 70 sold. But it is very difficult to show one symbol for one burger. If we take a scale for one symbol for one burger, how many maximum how many symbol we should draw? 70 symbol we should draw. So we have to minimize the number of symbols. Okay, number of symbols we have to minimize. We should take the scale. See here, all the numbers are in the multiples of 10. So we can take the scale. One symbol represents 10 burgers. One symbol represents 10 burgers. What is given in the book? One symbol represents. It is given clearly in the book. Here, what is the title of this pictograph? Burger sold. One symbol represents one burger. Okay. Here, Monday. Monday, how many symbols are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 symbols are there. 4 pictures are there. That means 40 burgers. Tuesday, 3 burgers are there. 3 symbols are there. That means 10 multiplied by 3. 1 represents 10 one symbol represents 10 burgers. How many symbols are here? 3 symbols are there. That means 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. Next one, Wednesday. How many symbols are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 60 burgers. Thursday. How many symbols? 5 symbols are there. That means 50 burgers. Friday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Friday. Friday 7 symbols are there, that shows 70 burgers. Okay. So here, from here we can find out some answers. Maximum burgers were sold on Friday. Friday maximum number of burgers were sold. How many burgers sold on Friday? 70 burgers. How many symbols are there? 7 symbols. What is the scale? One symbol represents 10 burgers. The least number of burgers were sold on Tuesday. The minimum number, less number, that is Tuesday. How many? Only 3. Is it 3 burgers? No, that means 30 burgers. On Wednesday, 60 burgers were. While we are seeing this pictogram, we will come to know this all things. While seeing this scale as well as that heading of the title of the pictogram, we will come to know what are the information is given there. On Wednesday, 60 burgers were sold. 250 burgers were sold in the weeks in all. How did you get the 250? Here total 25 symbols are there. Okay. Total 25 symbols are there. One symbol represents 10 burgers. So that means 25 symbols means 250 symbols, 250 burgers. The title of the pictogram. What is the title of the pictogram? The title of the pictograph is Burger Sold. Okay. Now we completed example 1 and 2 and exercise 12.1. First one we have completed. This example you no need to write in your copy. Exercise 12.1 first question we completed. That you have to write in your copy. I shall upload in your website. Okay. Remaining that word pictograph let's do next class. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.